Hello, good afternoon, or good morning. Today, we're going to be looking at used cars. Why? A fella needs one. And when I say I need one, this is my current vehicle. Look at her. I love her. She's a piece of shit. Alright? Today, we'll be looking at 4 websites up here. I got Facebook, Marketplace, Auto Trader. I don't even, know these guys. I just looked up used cars, honestly. We'll look at, oh, I know this place. Maybe I do. Enterprise. Hi, I am. Kill yourself. Close. Excuse me. Buy a car. Buy a car online. Let's look at. Alright, let's talk about budget. Let's talk about budget. One. I have $0 to my name. Actually, I have $1 to my name. Uno dollar. There's nothing in my. Oh, it's a receipt, actually. Nothing in my wallet. There was that dollar. Nothing in my wallet. Nothing. Don't mind the hot pink credit card. So, my friend told me to get a Jetta. I'm not getting a Jetta. Volkswagens are pieces of butt. Maybe if I get a second car, I'll get a Jetta. But 2 cars, dude. Someone who has no money, how am I going to afford a second car? So, let's just get going, I guess. Number one, I didn't see anything I liked. Yeah, none of these are all pieces of shit. I like sedans, older cars, definitely way older cars. No. Do not show blah blah blah. Don't look at that. That's not mine. Price, don't care. Make, but it's year. 2020 under. Okay. Let's see. Teslas are butt. You know how many of these I see on the road? A trillion even. I am not looking to kidnap kids right now. Okay. We only have 8 pages. Ford Fusion Platinum, all-wheel drive. Hey, you know. Next page. Let me on to the next. Awesome. So now, where are we on? Oh, we're literally on the site for Acura. So, Acura's pretty cool. I do like Acuras. Not really though. All right, this place. What is this? Auto Trader? What the fuck? All right, so okay. Next question. Next, year. Let's change year. What the fart? Maximum year, 2010. They only sell cars. Oh my god. Minimum year two. Any two. Let's go 9. So this is all 2009 cars. Hey, this right here. Guess whose car comes 2 years after that one? Mine does. All right. Audi A4 for 2,500, 200k miles. Holy dick. All right. '09 Honda Civic, almost 200. Jesus Christ. This is cool. I'm so sorry. Oh, two of them. Oh, same listing. You know, I'm not a big truck guy, but I'd get a truck. Only thing is, I'd want to slam it. You know, I hate being broke. I hate not having a. Well, I do have a car. It's just 2008 BMW Z4. I can't do it right now. Nissan Versas are what's reliable right now. How one. Oh, oh my god. god. Oh my, okay. Enough of that. I could do, oh, $92 a month. Wait a minute. Miles? How many miles? I just got a text message. Let's find out who it's from. No one important. 72 months, 36 months. That'd be $158 a month. Oh, wow. I don't have a credit score right now. So anyways, specs, 5-speed. I don't know how to drive manual, so never mind. How about we're done with Auto Trader for the website everyone loves. Facebook Marketplace, right? I'm on the vehicles tab. Let's go. Emoji. Cool emoji, you know? Ooh, 95 Camrys are always cool. Look at the damage, though. This parking lot reminds me of The Office. Like, parking lot? That's all I needed to know. I know what kind of man that guy is. Ooh, $700 for a 2006 Honda Civic SE 4-door? Oh. Yeah, that thing is one picture. 2009 Ford Fusion. Oh, this is a Ford Flex, not Fusion. What am I thinking? Because I read Fusion earlier. Wow. I really... Ooh. Ooh. I don't really care about how fast the car goes. I just want something cool. Something like a little ship box. You know? So my friend... Right here. Oh, I'm glitchy. Anyways. Right here. Yeah. He told me to get a Jetta. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Wow, it's so gay. It's because he's gay. Anyways. 2005 BMW? What kind of BMW? You can't just say BMW. Oh yeah, just BMW. 16,000 miles. That's gotta be a lie. Automatic exterior. Then what's wrong with it? Then what's wrong with it if it's... I know what kind of man you are. In the back seat is crazy. Oh my god, he's got the... What the fuck? He's got the air refreshener down by his nuts. Ooh! Yikes. Anyways. Free. Cool. Ooh, actually. I like these kind of cars with the little weird ass headlights. I don't know, they've always piqued my interest. Excuse me. When I say I like trucks, oh, I missed. I like these kind of trucks right here. Like, just imagine it like slammed. In my opinion, that's in San Francisco. Year minimum. Where is like transmission type? Don't care. Body style? Don't care. Don't care, don't care, don't care. Oh, ooh. Looks like I'm fucking Yorking it. These are always cool looking. For sale. VW Rabbit. I love VW Rabbits, dude. Ooh. Okay. That could be cleaned up. So yeah, my way of getting money, I don't have one. I don't really have one. Jeep Commander. Dude, no. Someone's taking bites out of that sea, I just know it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chat. I'm gonna stop saying chat. Cube, clean title. Looking for trades. Looking for oh, 5,500 out of my budget. What is this? 2005 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport for free. I wish. 1986 Ford Mustang SVO, 6 grand. Where is this thing? California. You know, I have to do. Alright. Now it should reset. Did it reset? It reset. Okay. Whoa. Hello. 65? Dude, my friend would. Okay, yeah, no, my friend would still love that. A little rust, but that's okay. This is premium. Why is it 1,500? 19,000 miles. 18 miles per gallon. 25 miles per gallon on the highway. 20 miles per gallon. Okay. Only a couple things, so something has to be wrong with it. Oh, these cars are always sick to me. Hello? No sound on the video, just, okay. Do you have a kid? Guy's got a kid. 1,250, okay. Okay. I love the wing. Oh, it's got a, okay. No, that's sick, that's sick. I definitely look into that. What is this? Oh, right next to the... That's amazing. Oh, he's got a sports car. Ooh, Trans Am. What is this thing next to it? I don't even care about this anymore. What is this? Anyone else seeing that? What is that? What is that? Oh. Oh yeah. Looking for trades. Car's unbelievably rusty, but does run. $700. Have videos, 5-speed transmission. $200. Oh, they're looking for. Okay. Oh, 2002 WRX. Oh, I'd want one of these so bad. My friend, every time he sees it, he goes, oh, let's go, what's new? These things are sick, though. Oh, and it's a coupe. Not a coupe, what the fuck am I thinking? Oh my god. It's a hatch, bro. I fucking love hatches. More room in the back for subs. You know what I mean? Mini Cooper. I'd crash that. Oh yeah, I've crashed current car 3 times. I believe, if I'm correct. Pulled over once. Nissan Cube. These things are very ugly. Who's taking a side panel of a Nissan Cube? My question. Oh, BMW. A Leaf. Oh my god, this guy's so creative. This guy's so creative. What about the other side of the car? Ooh. 2006 Chrysler, green headlights. Oh! AutoZone special right here. What is up with the green headlights? And then when yo, wide body kit, self wide body kit, broski. You gotta get something else. I am sorry. Ooh, if I were to see that on the road, dude, you know I'm hitting that thing. You know I'm crashing into that thing hard. Um, listen to it. That is, I like it. I like it. Would I drive it? Fuck no. Whoa, what is this? Alfa Romeo? Uh huh. That's actually sick. Vehicle's paid off. 91,000 miles. 84. New tires, new top. Runs, drive, stops. Needs new rocker panels. Trunk pan rust. It's okay. Talking about. Oh, I missed. Talking about. Oh my god. Oh my god. This and that probably. Um, would need to put new seats in that. Ow. It's convertible. I don't really like convertibles. What is this? $51,000 miles. What year is this? 2010? What does it mean by base, though? I have about a year left on my loan around 5K owned. Take care of my mechanic car is lower 3500. 4-inch camera. Car's not perfect, has paint fading on the hood. Yeah, questions let me know and please don't waste my time. Wow, that's cool. Um, yeah, I'm not seeing anything. There's gonna be an end. There's gonna be an end. There's gonna be a part two. If this gets like good views, I'm gonna do a part two anyway tomorrow. Goodbye. Sorry about the shitty camera. This is my goodbye. That other one, I lied, 'cause I'm a bitch. But no, seriously, if you like the video, if you watch the video, holy shit, no one's gonna fucking watch this. If you watch the video, comment, like, subscribe. Smash that like button. I never thought I'd have to do this. Just like, smash that like button. Smash subscribe. Share. 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 Holy dick.